All right, here comes Joe, 5th grade division. Lewiston Toughbird Open, 2nd round for him against the Lewiston kid.
Buddy, you gotta stay out of the way.
There you go, Joe. Keep going all the way around. Break him down. There, break him down. Score with the back points. That was Joe's first arm spin, or what Marty would call Jap Wizard. And this ref likes being in the way. Nice! Pull him over! Tight, tight, tight! Oh man! Nice job, Joe. Break him down. Get him to the mat again, Joe. There we go. Spin. Spin. Okay, wrestle smart, Joe. Joe, get your hips on him. Get your feet back. There you go. Joe. I think the other kid might have pulled a rib. His pride, maybe. Okay, come on up. Up. Can't go on the mat. Head up. There you go. Got your Granby. Run across. Run across him. Run the other way. And look. Figure 4. Come on. No, that's flat out illegal. You can't scissor the head. Head up, buddy. Head up. Head up. There you go.